Hi everyone and welcome. Today we are about to be discussing how to move funds from Bitget wallet to Bitget exchange. So without any further ado, let's just dive right in. But before that, you can subscribe to our channel if you haven't done that already, since it is going to be highly appreciated. So let's just begin. So the very first thing that you need to do is to transfer funds from another wallet. You need to head over to your profile section of my wallet. You can see your available funds in there, and the step one is going to be on wallet homepage. Tap on receive and choose the corresponding mainnet and token USDT on Ethereum. Tap on the icon to copy your Ethereum wallet address or use the QR code for easier transfers. Eventually, once you're going to be copying that from the selected wallet, you need MetaMask start a withdraw to transfer process and paste your Ethereum wallet address to deposit funds. Also, the transactions and receiving must uh, should be on same network, so that should be kept in mind, as using different networks could be result in asset loss and inability to recover. And if you are trying to transfer funds from exchanges, you need to head over to your wallet homepage as well and click on the receive and choose the corresponding mainnet token again, USDT or Ethereum. Tap on the icon. Then you are going to be simply from your selected exchange, like for example Bitget, start withdrawal or transfer process and paste your Ethereum wallet in there. So eventually, once you are going to be doing that, you will be able to move your funds from Bitget wallet to Bitget exchange. I hope this is going to be helping you guys out, and if it does, consider subscribing to our channel. See you guys around in the next video.